Okay, so we will now continue with the integration of the other parts of the project. So as you can hopefully see, we have a server running on localhost 3000. Welcome to the SaaS with the start subscription button. It's not doing anything right now, but don't worry about that. And I think this is the first HTML. Okay, so now I want to continue, comma, so when the user uh, will push the button, he will get forwarded a Stripe payment first, or comma check whether okay, so we will now fill this in our Stripe services, Stripe.js. Put this in. Next, we need to fill in our .env file, but we had previous projects where we can just transfer this from. Okay, wait. Okay, maybe let's continue. Yeah, we will just copy everything into the files. This comes into the checkout.js file. Wait. Nodes. Checkout.js file, but okay, wait. This is now in the check.js file. What can we keep to delete? Okay, then we will just erase the old stuff from the server, from the file. Then we go to the client.js file, we fill this in, and where's the client.js file? In public client.js. Okay. Okay, we can delete this. Okay, and we just start, try to use npm start again, and we will get probably errors, but we will just figure it out. Yeah, injecting nv from .nv, tip, audit sec, secrets and track compliance. Okay, so it's running. Okay, this is also running. And then now we have here, now we have some problems. Stripe error, stripe authentication error, invalid key provided. It JSON. Okay, so this is the thing. We have not provided a valid key as said in the error message, obviously. So we will just copy this and say I have filled in the files. Get this message. Okay, somehow my AI doesn't want to chat with me anymore. Okay, wait, how can I log in my Stripe dashboard? Because in the Stripe dashboard you will get the API keys, and you can then put them in the .nv file, and then you can easily just use them, and yeah, it will work fine. How can I log in my Stripe dashboard? Okay, so you can just go to the official login page. Okay, then just log in. I have already created an account and downloaded the command line interface tool, so this will not be a problem. Okay, perfect. Now we'll translate it into English. What the fuck, how have I made money? Okay, this is not relevant. Here under development tools, we have API key. Under developers, in the bottom left corner, you cannot see this because there is my camera, or I cannot see it because while recording there's my camera, the video of my face talking. And then you have a field API keys, and here you can choose the keys. You have a publishable key and a secret key, and in our .env file it is required to put in the secret key and the price ID, so you can hopefully see everything in those IDs. And yes, okay, so you cannot read out the key from your developer API key dashboard in Stripe, but I will just ask how to get the price ID. But the secret key you can get and put it in your .env file. I have done this without the camera. How can I get my Stripe price ID? And with Stripe API and CLE and some alignment CLE. Okay, then we go to command line interface, close this, and we go to Stripe price list. Okay, and we have different prices. We have created projects. I have a very detailed tutorial on this in my monetization playlist, how to create products. And then you have a price ID. Otherwise, just ask AI. It will give you a step-by-step instruction how to do this. This should not take longer than 30 minutes. So don't worry if you don't have a product ID. I think I need the price ID. And then we will get the price ID. Let's fit this in. And then let's see how it goes. Go npm start back again. Then we have connection to the client. We refresh this page. and click subscription. This looks fine. So we have a $10 per month subscription plan. Okay, so the next step is now that when you have made a payment or you are a valid user or you have a subscription already, you get led to the main page. So I fill in my stuff. They give you for test purposes this number 42424242, but I have everything documented in my video tutorials, so make sure to watch them or just ask AI. But you can watch me being confused about AI. So yeah. Okay. Now we get led to the app. Okay, but it is empty. But we can... Maybe we can, for testing purposes, we can copy the contents of the HTML back again and maybe... okay. So when you get led to app HTML, you now have this type of we have this type of surface now. Okay.